Watch my videos here on this channel, you know that I've tested a lot of different types of headphones. But what if I tell you that I just received a pair of headphones that have great sound, good battery life, the Bluetooth connections like it's on steroids, and it's under like 25 bucks. Would you purchase it? Yo guys, what's up? Brody here. So WRZ sent me these headphones. These are the S8 wireless in-ear headphones, and I've been testing these out for the past couple of weeks, and I've been very impressed with them so far. So like I said, you can get these things off of Amazon for right around 25, 26 bucks. It depends, and actually there's some are cheaper than that. It just depends on what color you get. I don't know why each color is different in prices, but hey, whatever, you get right around 25 bucks, I'd say. And these are probably the best headphones that I own for around this price range that I have tested so far here on this channel, at least like I said, so far. Oh, before I go any farther, WRZ did send me 2 of these, so I'll be giving away 2 of these to 2 people. So stick around throughout the whole entire video, because somewhere in this video I'll give you the information on how to enter in the giveaway. So I'll be picking 2 random winners to receive WRZ S8 wireless headphones. We always start off the video of what we get inside the box. There are a couple things I would change so far just by opening the box and seeing what we get inside. For example, on the case, I'd like to see a hook around here where I can hook a carabiner or two, or if they include that with the headphones as well, because I know you can just easily throw that inside. These things are really super, handy just to be able to, attach to the side of your jeans or maybe your camera bag, etc., and put the headphones in there. But some of these things I typically kind of use to store extra USB drives, SD cards, etc. These things are really handy, and I think that'd be a good idea to just add a hook and a carabiner with this. The second one is going to be the micro USB cable. I don't know why companies are still using this. I'm assuming it's probably cheaper, but I'd rather see the USB Type-C cable. It will charge the headphones better, and I mean the data speeds, it doesn't really matter because you're really not doing anything between that, but it would charge the headphones probably a lot faster, so that would add a little bit more of a feature to that, because these headphones give you 10 hours of playback, which I have tested these headphones out and I've gotten about 11 hours. So I'm going to say it's right around 10 or 11 hours of playback time. And also it took about an hour and a half to charge them from dead to full. So if you had the USB Type-C cable, I think that would probably reduce that a little bit so you can enjoy the headphones a little bit more. I have taken these outside on my run and they did a really good job of staying inside my ear. They didn't fall out once. The wingtips do help, so I left those on, which typically I just leave them on anyways. And what I really like is that they have the magnet on the back to be able to just attach, so if you want to just hang them around your neck, you can. And typically when I go for my run, I usually use bone conduction headphones by Aftershocks, just because I don't like to have anything inside my ear. I like to be more of aware of my surroundings, like hearing cars, etc. So these headphones I typically will probably use at the gym, so that I don't have to hear the guys grunting over the weights that they're doing, which kind of gets very annoying. But I would probably use these at the gym, but they did a good job, like I said, of staying inside the ear. All right, just got back. I went and tested out the Bluetooth connection on these headphones. These headphones have Bluetooth version 5.0. Yes, that's what I like. I love that. Here, I'm gonna show you something here. Hold on for 1 second. Check this out, guys. Microsoft Surface headphones. These are my go-to headphones at the office, etc. And I did a review on this. If you want to check it out, up here at the top, there'll be a link to it, or also down in the description. $350. Bluetooth 4.2. Skull Candy Crushers 360s. Never opened them yet and haven't tested them yet. I've had them since I pre-ordered these and I haven't even tested them out yet. $300. Bluetooth 4.1. WRZ's S8 headphones, 25 bucks, 5.0. I think Skull Candy and Microsoft are really slacking on the Bluetooth connection. So if you guys don't know anything about like the Bluetooth 5.0, the benefits of that is like faster speeds for data transfer and also longer distance for the connectivity of the Bluetooth connection between, say, these headphones and your device. So 5.0 can transfer data up to 2 megabytes per second. That's double what 4.2 can do. With 5.0 Bluetooth connectivity, you can go up to about 800 feet. That's about 266 yards. That's unbelievable that you can go that far. That's amazing. And I did test it out, and I did get over about 200 yards, and it started going in and out. I don't know if something was bothering the signal, I'm not sure, but either way, 200 yards is unbelievable. With 4.2, you're only getting about 200 feet, and that's I think about right around 66 yards. So you can definitely see a big difference between 4.2 and 5.0. Now, obviously, like any other signal, if you have any obstacles like walls, etc., the signal will weaken and you will, get some in and outs. But I tested around the house, and I had some really good connectivity with these headphones. The sound quality is pretty good, especially around for this price range of 25 bucks. It's not premium sound like, the Bose or Sony or anything like that, but it's pretty darn close, and you can't really tell like a huge difference. But I've took the volume all the way up to the highest level. There's no distortion. The highs, the mids, the lows, they sound pretty good to me. The bass gives some thump to it. Obviously, there's no built-in like subwoofer or anything like that. Typically, in-ear headphones don't have built-in subwoofers just because it's small, etc. So it kind of imitates that that thump to it, but you definitely can feel it. So these definitely please me on the sound quality. I definitely give it a thumbs up. One thing they definitely do need to improve on these wireless headphones is the built-in microphone. They weren't that great. Not the worst I've heard, but they're just not that great that I wanted or expected it to be. These don't have a built-in noise, canceling microphone, so you do get a lot of that background noise, which I definitely tested out. And my coworker definitely could hear some people talking behind me, etc., at the office. But I could hear them, obviously clear, and it was perfect. But on their end, there was still a lot of noise. So I definitely suggest, WRZ to upgrade their built-in microphone to a noise-canceling microphone. Ugh. So if I were to rate these headphones, I'd probably give it probably a 4. I don't think there's any such thing as a perfect pair of headphones. I think they all have their flaws, and it also comes down to your own preference. But for me and what I was testing them out, I have really enjoyed them, and I give them a 4. And I really love that it has Bluetooth 5.0, that good connection. There's nothing worse than getting, putting your cell phone into your pocket at the gym and getting that in and out of connection. It gets so annoying. But these, they definitely don't do it. And also there is no video lag as well, so that's a huge plus if you like to watch a lot of videos. So I definitely think WRZ did a good job on these headphones. I definitely suggest these. I definitely give them a thumbs up, and I'll be using these a lot more at the gym, like I said, until my next pair of headphones I find that's going to be better. And if I do, I'll let you guys know. On to the giveaway, which I kind of forgot to talk about through this video. But like I said, WRZ gave me 2, so I'll be picking 2 winners to give away 2 of the S8s. All the information to enter into the giveaway is down below in the description. And guys, more of the stuff that you do in that thing, like the giveaway, you have a better chance of winning. And I'm going to let this run for about 3 weeks, so guys, good luck. So that's it for today, guys. And during this video, I was being shot at with a Nerf gun by the kids, so I got to go have some fun and get them back. But if you did like this video, definitely hit that like button. Also hit that subscribe button as well if you want to see more from me. And again, WRZ, thank you for sending me out these headphones. They were great. I give them a thumbs up. And guys, I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.